Now we are going to study the relation between the two roots of any quadratic equation. Suppose alpha and beta are two roots of quadratic equation. Then we can write alpha is equal to minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and beta is equal to minus b minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Then if we add these two roots, then we will get alpha plus beta is equal to minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a plus value of beta is minus b minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Then if we add this, then minus b plus minus b, that will be equal to minus 2b. This plus b square minus 4ac minus square root of b square minus 4ac, this will get cancelled and divided by this denominator is same, that will be equal to 2a. Then this 2 will get cancelled and we get alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a. Then if we multiply these both the roots, then we will get alpha into beta is equal to, the value of alpha is minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a into value of beta is minus b minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This multiplication will be, in the first bracket there is the sum of minus b and square root of b square minus 4ac. Into second bracket there is the subtraction of minus b and b square root of b square minus 4ac. This we can multiply by using the formula of a plus b into a minus b. That will be equal to a square minus b square. That is square of minus b square minus square of square root of b square minus 4ac, and divided by 2a into 2a, that will be equal to 4a square. This will be equal to square of minus b, that will be equal to b square minus square of this will be only square root sign will go, therefore that will be equal to b square minus 4ac divided by 4a square. That will be equal to, this b square minus b square will get cancelled and minus minus will be plus, and therefore that will be equal to 4ac upon 4a square. That will be equal to 4 will get cancelled, a get cancelled, therefore we will get c upon a. That is alpha into beta is equal to c upon a. And then we will get two formulas. one is alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a, and other is alpha into beta is equal to c upon a. This is the relation between the roots of quadratic equation and the coefficients of that equation. Thank you.